my Capricornios. How are you guys doing? I'm sure you guys are doing well. I welcome you to Soulster, and I'm back to my little corner that I love. Thank you so much for liking and supporting the channel, connecting with me on Twitter. Thank you so much, and on Instagram. Do follow us, guys, if you have not, okay? And we're doing your love messages going forward for the upcoming week. October 2021. This could be your supporting energies, upcoming energies. You're already dealing with one, and somebody coming in your way, depending, right? Aries full moon happening, whichever part of the world you're in, today, tomorrow, whenever you watch the reading, right? And it's a Hunter's moon. It is the full moon, wherein a lot of release is going to happen, Capricornio. And let's see what are my angels and guides sending your way as I take the assistance of my masters and guides, my angels, Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Blueberry. What do I need to see for the highest good for the Capricorns watching and cross watchers? I welcome you here. Thank you so much if you're watching that. Do use your inner compass, and Capricorns, do watch your sun, moon, rising, because I dabble in the Vedic and Western astrology both. So this would be with the tarot, based on your astrology and horoscope as well. So keep in view Vedic and Western both we dabble in, so this may and may not kind of settle in because the placements definitely vary, okay? So they tell me 3 more shuffles. 1, Capricorn. Let's see. Much needed is what they show me for you. Much needed? It's much needed. 6 of Pentacles. All about the balance, honey. Much needed. Seven of Swords. Not an amazing card to get really, but I think this is about shedding light on something that has been revealed to you or is going to get revealed to you in the Aries full moon. Picture would be completely clear to you. This is air energy. Okay, this would really clear the air for you because finally you're coming into some kind of harmony that I see. Your person is saying that it can go together because now the veil is lifted with the Hierophant. This is Tauran energy, again very earthy energy that I see playing around. Capricorn. So this is essentially you being in that zone where finally you see things for the way they are and your loved one understands that. And that is what is much needed, that they understand you, and that is where I think that talk needs to happen, Capricorns, if it's not happening. They really want to pour their heart out to you. You know what? They really want to, but somehow they're not able to. Why? I don't know. Let's see. Sit down, I think, with them, or I think they just show me that it has to be done together, Capricorns. Maybe your person needs that kind of strength from you, that cooperation from you to co-create. What else we need to see for Capricornios, please? For the highest good. I know they show me a White House. Not like the one in America, but they show me a White House. High Priestess love, I think Cancerian, Piscean energy. This is really about you trusting your intuition. You know it in your heart. Your person knows it in their heart that what they could not see prior, what they have done prior, finally is coming out, is out here. They really want to tell you that they're following their intuition big time, and they want to pour it out to you. They want to tell you, but I think they're just mustering up the courage here. Yep, they're really mustering up the courage. With the Emperor, they're really trying hard. They're saying, you know what, I need to level up. Your person is saying that I need to level up and I need to really go after what my heart and my mind truly desire. So they really dig deep, uh, into it, because I think they're also being kind of sent signs and things somehow, and they finally know your value. They understand your worth. This could have taken some time to come, but it's coming in. It is really coming in, and this is about they knowing that you know your worth. They know that what you are capable of, and all this is getting cleared in the days to come. So I really see that they really desire that amazing life with you, right? They really want to have everything with you. With like everything, I mean everything with you. They don't want to run away. They just want to make it with you in such a good way, because now finally they see it, right? Could be like because of work schedule they were not able to make up, could be because of certain impending ways, the way they used to deal, they were not able to make up to or come out in the open, but now they're coming around because they're trusting their intuition, and they're saying, you know what, no matter what, for singles I feel that you would know the person you're thinking about is really thinking about you with the Two of Cups, because there's a lot of love that is there between you guys, okay? And when I say that, I say that the balance in this card is equal, right? So it is really about love. It is about again taking the leap of faith. For my singles, something amazing is definitely coming your way, and all the mysteries shall be lifted out. For my couples, I think this is so about not feeling troubled anymore, but getting clarity. Your person is coming in giving you clarity that you deserve so much, and they're saying that your everyday life basically depends on the fact that how best we can share and experience this love together, okay? And you attract it all like a magnet to your life. As I say that to myself, I attract it all like a magnet in my life. So it is a pre-empress kind of vibe I get, and it is really about you, I think, most likely saying and understanding your person on the way, coming around and telling you how they feel for you. So because this seems genuine, this seems real, this seems like good learnings, and after that they are realizing it and they're telling you that. So I feel it's just amazing. It's just a matter of time that it would be all okay for you, and you would see that change in your partner, my love. You would, okay? So let's go forward and see what you have for my Capricornians from the Power of Love deck. What is the message the universe is sending you, my love? And yes, there are a couple of people who asked me to do an oracle card reading as to how should we do an oracle card reading. I'm going to do that soon, okay? Let's see, Capricorns, what is that message you need to see? I don't know why I'm shuffling for you, because I did not shuffle it for anybody else. One more. Ooh, that is why. Expression. You will notice everything, trust me. You are ready to manifest your thoughts and transform them into acts of love. You are ready to manifest your thoughts and transform them into acts of love. That's what your person is actually feeling and telling you, that they trust their intuition, because they know finally their dreams are going to get realized. As they see past the Seven of Swords energy, they've got their learnings, they've understood where this leads to. That's all light, all light. You could be dealing with a water energy, a Cancer, Pisces, or Taurus maybe. It has taken a long time, some time to come around for them to realize or tell you that, but it's coming in. It's coming in with sheer understanding and balance, and now they have raised their vibrations. They've raised their level because they know you deserve better, right? So they're matching your frequency. They're telling you that honey, there's all love here and nothing else. Okay, so this is what I got for you, my Capricornians, and I shall see you the next time until eternity. Sending you so much of love and light. Please do like and subscribe, and like I said, keep spreading joy, love, peace, happiness, right? Okay, bye for now.